Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking with your one and only host, Ashane. Today, I'm gonna try to make a double chocolate chip frappuccino, but not your regular or normal double chocolate chip frappuccino. We'll be using white chocolate mocha, so let's go ahead and mix it up. So first, you guys, we're gonna have to make our white mocha sauce or cream. I don't really know what to call it. So first, we're gonna get our milk, and I went ahead and got the 2% reduced fat milk. I don't know, I went to 7-Eleven. It was the first thing that I seen, so I just grabbed it. We need a cup of this, and I'm gonna just put this right over here in this pan. And I guess it would be wise to turn the oven on, or the stove on. So it calls for 1 1/8 cup of milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 tablespoons because 2 tablespoons equals 1/8 cup of milk. I'm so smart. Basically right now, I'm just going to let the milk heat up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Hershey cookies and cream. The ingredients actually calls for white chocolate, but I was already at the store and I seen these and I didn't feel like looking for the white chocolate. I'm just gonna use these. Okay guys, so our ingredients calls for 2 tablespoons of white chocolate. So I'm gonna get half of this candy bar, and I think hopefully this will be 2 tablespoons. I don't know, but we're about to see. Put it in this Ziploc bag and beat the heck out of it. That looks good. Okay guys, here's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, what's the rest in there? 2 tablespoons. Okay guys, so while that's heating up, I'm going to make some coffee because it calls for a half cup of coffee. I have a breakfast blend, light roast coffee from Green Mountain, and then I have a Starbucks Veranda blend. I'm just gonna close my eyes, pick one. I'm not looking. All right, Green Mountain it is. Okay guys, so while that's brewing, I'm gonna go ahead and stir our mix. And it says to stir it until it's like foaming. Whip it. I'm definitely making a mess. Also, it says to heat it, but it doesn't say like on high, on low. I'm just gonna wing it. Don't try this at home. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like a warm cookies and cream, or like cookies and cream on like a summer day when it's like melted and you have like a shake or something from Bronx, and then you look in the cup and then you realize that your ice cream melted or your shake melted, so then it's just like hot and like watery, kind of like a drink. That's what it tastes like. The coffee is done brewing. But we are not making hot coffee, we're making a frappuccino. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this coffee and put it in the freezer. Ooh. Whoa. Don't be fooled guys, I can cook. I did that on purpose. Now I'm going to get 1.5 cups of ice. And guys, this is for people who like trying things on their own. If you have free time or you just want to try something, you guys should definitely go ahead, try this, make one, and just use different things and see what you can create, or see if you can even make your drink similar to Starbucks. It calls for 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Perfect. We have 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. 1, 2, and 3. It calls for 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just gonna grab it with my hand since I use the syrup. Since I use the syrup first, I'm making a mess. Definitely seems like a lot of sugar. It also calls for 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. We have our 1/3. We have our chocolate chips. Pour those in. All I'm like still making a mess. Save some for the top, so I'm just gonna pour almost all of this and then just leave like a couple. I feel like the person who made something so wonderful and you guys did not get to see it. Since I really want to make this video and I really want you guys to actually see the whole process, I'm going to do it again. I will be using the Starbucks Veranda blend. So maybe that was my fault. Maybe I should have just went with this in the first place. Maybe the god of Starbucks is like looking down on me and it's just like, no, you went with the wrong choice. So that's why your camera's gonna mess up. And look what happened, it messed up. Guys, make sure when you try this drink, use the Starbucks K-Cup. And I'm going to put the coffee in the freezer and I'm going to get the coffee out of the freezer. You guys, I really still cannot get over the fact my last video did not record. I'm just gonna pour this into the blender with the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna blend it and we're gonna put it on milkshake. Got milk. I actually do like the taste of milk. No, definitely needs more ice. This is the hardest part, you guys, making the drink. Hi, what would you like at Starbucks? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. Woo. Really? That's it? You guys, this is why I do not work at Starbucks. I would get in so much trouble from like making my own drinks all the time. And like, Ashane, we're behind. And I'm just chilling in the back, sipping on Starbucks, not worrying about anything. Chocolate syrup drizzle with our chocolate chip. 1 chocolate chip, 2 chocolate chip. Dun, dun, dun. Who thinks it's gonna taste good? I think it's gonna taste good. The last drink I made definitely tastes more chocolatey, mocha-ish, you know. This actually tastes more like it has coffee in it. The last time I definitely couldn't taste the coffee, but I definitely can taste the coffee in this. So I'll go ahead and say, if you don't want like that strong coffee taste, the first K-Cup I used was the Green Mountain. It was a light roast. And this one is the Starbucks Veranda blend. So I'm guessing it's like a tad bit stronger or something because I definitely can taste the coffee in this. No, but really guys, this tastes amazing. Hey, maybe it all worked out. Maybe it was meant for me to make this drink again because this definitely tastes like coffee, which is what I like. That's a plus. And I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, I love coffee. But what's better in life? Watching Ashane, really just talking third person, watching me drink coffee while making Starbucks coffee. Best of both worlds, I know. Damn, if you want to burp like that, drink my coffee. Alright guys, so be sure to like, subscribe, and also comment if you've tried making your own coffee or if you're gonna make your own coffee and exactly how it turned out. And also if you have ran into any complications like I did, be sure to let us know. Bye loves. Now who's gonna clean up this mess? Not me.